Hello guys, today we will discuss about the linkage of biology with different fields. Like in biology, we study only about life. So, means about different living organisms. But in the body of these living organisms, different type of function occur through different metabolic pathways. We study this function in metabolic pathways by the help of physics in chemistry, by the use of physics techniques of physics and chemistry. In living organism, different type of metabolic function occur through different pathways. We study these pathways by the help of the techniques of physics and chemistry. Furthermore, living organisms are also distributed throughout the world. So, this distribution of living organisms we can study by the help of techniques of geography. Geo means earth and graphy means distribution. Furthermore, we also buy and sell different type of living organisms. And these, when we sell these organisms or buy these organisms or running a new project, we earn or lost something. So, this loss or earning or profit or loss we study living organism we study by the help of economics. So, and next we are also doing different type of research in biology about living organism like malaria, coronavirus, etc. etc. We get the data from for different diseases, for different projects, for different researches, and we analyze analyze and interpret this data to show about this data to the world, how a project is going on, how a disease is going on in the in area. For example, nowadays coronavirus cause a lot of mortality throughout the world and now become a hot area of research throughout the world. So people collect the data about coronavirus and this data, interpret this data and publish in different journals. So they analyze and interpret this data by the help of mathematical formulas and mathematical and statistical formulas. So we can solve the problem of research by the help of statistics. So let us see one by one. What is biophysics and what is the need of biophysics? Biophysics is the understanding of biological phenomena and problem by using the principle and techniques of physics. The understanding of biological phenomena and problems by using the principle and techniques of physics is called biophysics. Means we use different techniques of physics to solve biological problems. So this type of study is called biophysics. Or, for example, before this photosynthesis example, I can give another example. How birds fly in the air. For finding how the bird fly in the air, we use the techniques of physics, and we use the techniques of principle and techniques of physics. And bird, what is bird? Bird is a living thing. So we study these things in biophysics. Next, in photosynthesis, when photosynthesis occurs, plants prepare their own food from carbon dioxide, water in the presence of light. So the question arises there that how light absorbed in the plant. So for that absorption of light, for photosynthesis, we use the law and techniques of physics. So means we study these things in biophysics. It is biophysics. We also use the techniques and principle of physics in other different fields like bioenergetics. Physiology means physiology study of function. Physiology like how heart work. Function of heart we can study by the help of by the techniques of physics like ECG, electrocardiogram. We can study by the help of instrument use and prepared and work on techniques of physics. So physiology, so we can use the techniques and principle of physics and physiology. Similarly, we can use the techniques of physics and neurosciences. With every day, new discovery occurs, and neurosciences by the help of techniques and principle of physics. Similarly, new drugs, how drug work on the body. For these things, we use the principle and techniques of physics. So when we use it in a living organism, it is biophysics. Or biological phenomena or problems, then it is biophysics. Next, second as biochemistry. Bio means life and chemistry, study of matter. So, the study of chemical reaction and process occur in living organism is called biochemistry. The study of chemical reaction and processes occur in living organism is called biochemistry. Next are the chemical reactions which occur inside the living organism, inside the body of living organism is called biochemistry. For example, maybe these things are maybe these mechanisms you will understand easily or not. For example, we eat the food. So here two types of digestion occur in the gastrointestinal tract. One is mechanical, for example, we digest the food by the help of teeth, and another is chemical, which is by the help of different type of enzyme. And we study these enzymes, the structure, function in the field of biochemistry. Because all enzymes are protein, and protein are made of amino acid, and they have specific chemical structure. So it involves in chemistry, biochemistry study, the structural analysis of organic compounds, that make the cell and those that play role in chemical reaction of life. Like photosynthesis. Photosynthesis as a biological phenomenon. And different chemical combine in photosynthesis and make another one, like water. Water is one chemical. Carbon dioxide is another one. In the presence of light, they combine and they make what? They make glucose, which are used by plant body and of our other organisms as a source of food. Against this is respiration. When respiration occurs, glucose is again break down into carbon dioxide, water, and what? And energy. So we use that glucose in respiration for energy, to get energy from that and perform the function of life. So we are study all these things in biochemistry or at biochemical level. Next, biogeography. What is mean by bio? What is mean by geo and graphy? Bio means life, geo means earth, and graph means distribution. The distribution of life on earth. So what does mean? How we can define biogeography? The study of distribution of organism in time and space is called biogeography. The study of distribution of organism in time and space is called biogeography. So what is the meaning of distribution of organism in time and space? Different type of organism occur in different time, in different places. In different time means some organism like dinosaurs, they were present thousands of years or millions of years before, but now they are extinct. Many other organisms and many new organisms come to existence. So that distribution of organism and time, which occur in different time, is called biogeography in different places of earth. This is called, like we will give example here. For example, here we can give two examples. Many other examples also exist. For example, polar bear. One is polar bear. Polar bear occur found only in certain parts of the Arctic region. Only found in certain parts of Arctic region. Not everywhere. You will not see polar bear in your village. You will see polar bear only in certain parts of Arctic region. Similarly, malaria causing mosquitoes. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium, but mosquito work as a carrier from one human to another human. These mosquitoes live in damp in warm places. You will not see in very cold areas any mosquito. So this type of distribution, the study of this type of distribution of living organism is called biogeography. Biogeography. Next, biostatistic or biometry. What is biometry and biostatistic? By statistic, the use of statistic for the study of living problems relating to living organisms is called biostatistic. For example, we can define it here as the application of statistical and mathematical formulas in the study of biology is called biostatistics. This application of statistical and mathematical formulas in the study of biology is called biometry or biostatistics. How? We are saying that the application of statistical mathematical formulas in the study of biology is called biostatistics. In biostatistics, we design by the help of statistics and mathematical formulas, we design in a study and then analyze, collect the data, analyze and interpret that research data. So, for that analysis and interpretation of research data, we use statistical and mathematical formulas. For example, we collect data of quote from all Pakistan. COVID-19 means coronavirus. The new coronavirus is also called COVID-19. From all Pakistan. And we want to know about the prevalence of COVID in different districts, age groups, occupation, gender, etc. Means we want the prevalence or percentage of coronavirus throughout Pakistan. What is the percentage and how many people as coronavirus exist and how many percent people are free of coronavirus. So we collect this data from all hospitals. Okay. Then, for example, its percentage may be anyone. So how we will calculate this? We will calculate it by the help of statistical and mathematical formulas. Next, we want to know about in different age groups. How we will know about that coronavirus is more lethal in aged group people and or in small people and in middle-aged people, young people. So we will analyze this data and we will analyze this data with respect to age groups. So we can get any results, but how we will analyze this? By the help of statistical and mathematical formulas. Next, we can analyze this data with respect to occupation. Means in which profession people are more susceptible to coronavirus. Means coronavirus can cause more easily in which type of people? Tailor, driver, or shopkeepers, etc. etc. Next, we can know about the COVID-19 with respect and different gender, like male or female. Means the COVID-19 is caused in these 3 or 4 months more in male or in female. How we can calculate this data of coronavirus? By the help of statistical and mathematical formulas. So maybe you now understand this. Next is bioeconomics. Bioeconomics. What is bioeconomics? The correlation between biology and economics is called bioeconomics. The correlation, we say, the relation between biology and economics is called bioeconomics. So how? The study of organism on its economical point of view is called bioeconomics. When we study an organism on its economical point of view, this type of study is called bioeconomics. So how? How? Still question arises in mind. How? For example, in bioeconomics, scientists calculate and compare the cost and profit of biological project. For example, project of new variety of crop. In bioeconomics, scientists calculate and compare the cost and profit of biological projects. For example, we want to produce a new variety of crop, especially wheat. Okay, so if now the scientist will calculate that how much will be the cost on this whole project. After that, if we produce this new variety, how much we will benefit from this project. So these type of calculation we biologist is doing, and bioeconomics. In bioeconomics they study this type. Sorry, this was fifth link of biology. So in bioeconomics is the correlation between biology and economics, or the study of organism on its economical point of view is called bioeconomics. For example, we want to produce a new variety of crop, especially wheat. So the scientist will set and calculate the cost of that project, and then also think about the profit, also calculate the profit, how much profit we can gain from this project. So if they are beneficial for them, then they will launch that project, otherwise they will reject. So these things we study only in bioeconomics. Thanks for watching.